Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another tremendous video. Today, guys, on this fabulous Friday, Saturday, or wherever it is you are, hello, good morning, good day, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Peter. I'm the crypto arborist, and as you know, I'm the founder of Tree Token, Tree on Sui, or Liquidity. But today I want to give you an update on one of my little babies that we have been bebopping along with for quite some time. And that, as you guys know, is this right here. It is Bitnest. So let's go over this just a little bit. First and foremost, if you want to join my team today with as little as you could literally float $1 through it, you want to give it a shot. You can do this is on the BNB chain, and it uses USDT. You can park your funds in here for 1 day, 7 days, 14 days, or 28 days. 1 day will pay you 0.4%. As a matter of fact, let's go down here and I will show you how this works. So if you follow my link that you see below, you will see right here. Let's zoom in on this. So what you saw up front was a 28-day circulation that I was doing, but you can take your USDT. Now, first and foremost, before we get started, I have a disclaimer in my video description, and I'm showing you right now, this is not financial advice. This is my journey, and I am, as my good friend, Mr. Mischief would say, I am not your mommy. So I'm not going to make your decisions for you, but I'm going to show you what I'm doing that, by the way, has been paying for 134 days with zero issues. So on this, you can take your USDT on the BNB chain. You can park it for 1 day and get paid 0.40%. You can park it for 7 days and it pays you 4%. 14 days is 9.5. 28 days is 24%. And that is really as simple as it gets. Like the title of this video, Bitnest, still the easy button, guys. There's a lot of opinions about this. Either way, I'm not going to get into it on that. I just know, again, 134 days paid, zero issues. Everybody on my team has had no issues getting paid. My personal preference on this, I have one order in here right now, and I am going to park several more in it. As you can see, I put 2,000 USDT in it, and in 19 days, 22 hours, and 53 minutes and 50 seconds, it'll pay out $2,480. This is paying roughly 0.857% per day. How long will this last? I have no idea. But again, I can tell you that for 134 days paid with zero issues, that's pretty much enough said for me. We've had comments, it's going to crash, it's going to do this, it's going to do that. And guess what? I'm glad I didn't listen, but that is up to you. Again, not financial advice. Join my team with the link that's scrolling across. We're going to take that off for the outro. I'll have the link to my team in the comment section. You can also jump in the Telegram if you have any questions about it. There's a lot of people that do. And I'm also going to have in the outro for this video, Bitnest explained in 10 minutes. I'll probably include a tree token video for you as well. I encourage you, do not put all your money into this. I have what I can afford to lose in this. And I will end it with this. This right here is house money. I absolutely, positively ROI'd as fast as I could in this. I pulled my money out with profit. This right here, guys, is 100% profit that I am absolutely playing with on this. That's it, guys. Nothing more, nothing less. It's paying. And if it's paying, I'm staying. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video. Be good.